Hey everybody, this is Tanae. Before I get started, I want to tell you guys to subscribe right now. Hit the subscribe button and then hit that little bell next to the subscribe button, because I have over 8,000 subscribers and none of y'all asses are watching my videos. So I need y'all to be notified that I posted a video, okay? So can y'all do that for me real quick? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Okay, in today's video, I'm gonna be drawing my self-portrait. So I pretty much do a self-portrait, like not really every year, but I do it a lot. I have a lot of self-portraits. So I haven't done like an official self-portrait since 2017. So I wanted to do one for 2019. So while you watch me draw my own face, I'm going to be answering questions that my Instagram followers asked me. They're all personal questions about myself. Some people didn't read the rules or just didn't care, so they asked me art related questions. So if I have time, I'll just go ahead and answer those anyway. But yeah, everything else is personal questions about me. So I'm gonna just jump right into it. So number one, do you write down your dreams? Yeah, I actually do write them down. I used to write them down, and I had like a whole Word document on my laptop, and I would just like write every time I woke up from having a dream. I would write down the date. I would write in detail what happened. I would write down different symbols that kind of popped out at me, and I would actually look up the meanings of those symbols. I Google them, and I would write what that could mean if you dream about them. So yeah, I used to do that. I don't do that anymore. Now I just will like get on Tumblr, and I have a whole dreams tag on Tumblr, where I just kind of like jot down what happened in my dream really quickly. And it's really interesting if you just scroll through that tag. But I'm not gonna give you guys my Tumblr because it's just another side of me that you guys are not ready for. Are those gamer headphones in your picture, and what system do you use? Yeah, my Instagram picture, I do have gamer headphones. I have a headset on. And I use PS4. Your house is on fire. What's one inanimate object you save and why? My laptop. I'm one of those people where like my whole fucking life is on here. So like, yeah, my phone is another one of those things, but I think I have way more on my laptop, like especially when it comes to my art. Like if I don't have my laptop and the fucking house burned down, I'm not gonna have none of my art, not even like the digital files. So yeah, it would definitely be my laptop, and all of my like books and stories and poems and everything are on here, and all of my pictures that I've taken like ever are on here. So yeah, it would definitely be my laptop. Do you ever plan on moving out of Chicago? I feel like I want to stay in other places like for short periods of time, but I think I'm always gonna have a home in Chicago no matter what. Like even if I do decide to like move somewhere else for a while, I'll probably always come back to Chicago like every summer or something. At the moment, I have no idea where I would live besides Chicago. It's just the fucking bee's knees. Like, I don't know where else I would go, but I do want to experience other places. So, what do you look for in a guy? So, like, I used to be dumb enough to answer this question, but now I'm not. Guys really ask you this because they want to mold themselves into that perfect guy for you so that you'll fall for them. And then they turn out to not actually be that guy. So I'm not telling guys what I look for in a guy no more. Y'all just gonna be who y'all are, and if it's not what I like, then it's not what I like. What's your favorite quote? See, this is something I don't even think about. I don't memorize quotes. I see them all the time, especially since I have a Tumblr, but I don't memorize quotes. Like, if you ask me what my favorite quote is, I'm gonna tell you something from a movie or a song. Like, first quote that pops in my head right now is sexy little mama say she on a diet, so she only eat bananas. How is a nigga supposed to pull your hair? Okay, first of all, this is a very inappropriate question, and this is a family channel, so, but I'll answer it. He don't need to worry about pulling my hair. Okay, I do all the hair pulling over here. I like men with long hair, so I can pull his hair. He don't need to pull my hair. You've run out of different colors to change your hair to. Oh, this was an assumption. Somebody sent me an assumption. No, I haven't run out of different colors to change my hair to. I'm just taking my sweet precious time. That's all. I'm actually ready for the next color. I just haven't bought it yet. What is your favorite quality about your best friends? And y'all already know who asked this question. My favorite quality about my best friend is that he's so chill. Like, he's so chill and easygoing, and I'm not as chill as him, but I'm super easygoing and like even tempered, just like him, which is why we get along so well. Like, neither one of us like to argue. So if we disagree on something, we just gonna agree to disagree and like either laugh it off or like crack jokes about each other or something. Like, just talk shit about each other in a joking way, and then we just leave it alone. Like, and we accept each other for like our differences. Like, we are very, very different, but we accept that about each other. And most people that I meet cannot accept the fact that I am the way that I am. They always try to change me, and he doesn't try to change me. So I guess that's like two things that I like about him. What's your favorite kind of alcohol? My favorite kind of alcohol, I'm not a drinker. Like, I'm really not. But when I do drink, y'all about to laugh at me. I'm a tiny woman, okay? And I don't like to get fucked up. I just like to drink enough to like be able to socialize and dance if I'm like at a club or a party, and just be a little more just loosen up a little bit. So all I need, like, I love my cider. I love hard soda. I love wine. And if I'm gonna get a real drink, then it's either gonna be a Long Island iced tea. I only need one. Or a margarita. I just recently discovered that I like margaritas. So, what is your biggest strength and biggest weakness? My biggest strength is that I don't know what my biggest strength is. I'll just say the first one that comes to my head, and that's I'm very naturally gifted. Like, there are so many things that I can do really well, and usually when I try something new, I'm like pretty good at it the first time I try it, and I just get better and better. And they're all things that I could like monetize, which is good for me. So I think that's a big strength, because if it wasn't for that, I would have really been shit out of luck, because I kind of grew up in a way where I was like forced to like kind of not be independent, if you know what I mean. So if it wasn't for the fact that I'm so gifted, I would have never been able to get myself out of that and like become financially independent, you know. My biggest weakness is that because of how I grew up, like never being able to get what I want, nothing really being given to me, I became really selfish as an adult when I was able to do stuff for myself finally. And I'm like really trying to work on it now. I've been working on it for the past couple years because it's actually fucked up some romantic relationships, and I just don't want to be that person. So yeah, I'm trying to really stop, like when I talk to my friends and everything, stop, like not make everything about me. Like I want to talk about myself. Like I want to know what's going on with y'all, you know. So I'm like working on that. Is that drawing of a beautiful butt and lips yours? Yeah, all of my nude drawings and semi-nude drawings are of me because I don't have anybody else's nudes. I mean, I got some penises, but I mean, you know, if it's a woman's naked body, then it's mine. But no, I've been telling people that, you know, I'm willing to draw other people's nudes. You just gotta send them to me. But yeah, so far all of my nudes and semi-nude paintings are me. What are your sun, rising, and moon signs? My sun sign is a Virgo. My birthday just passed. It was 2 days ago, the 14th. I don't know my rising sign actually. My moon sign is an Aries. What games are you attempting to play and stream? At the moment, I've been playing Mortal Kombat mostly lately. I've been playing Mortal Kombat since May. The first game I played on my PS4 was the Spyro trilogy. I finished the second Spyro. I haven't finished the first and the third one yet, but I'm almost done. I just kind of like stopped after a certain point because it started to get difficult. But I do plan on going back to it. And I'm also currently playing Heavy Rain, but I haven't played it in a while. And I was definitely trying to stream MK11 since I play that one the most, and that's the one I love the most. But streaming is not working out for me, y'all. I just have a really bad internet connection right now, so I can't do it at the moment, but I'm working on some shit. And also I started Kingdom Hearts, but I have like a weird version. It's like 1.5 and 2.5, and I gotta say, I'm not feeling it. Like I was so excited about Kingdom Hearts, but like I haven't gotten past the beach yet, so I haven't even like seen any of the Disney stuff yet. I'm like still on the beach, and it really fucking sucks. Are you single? Yeah. I'm single. When it comes to your partner, which is more important, culture, spirituality, or race? Okay, I'm gonna break it down. First of all, race, not important at all. I've dated all races. I'm open to dating all races. As far as spirituality and culture, I don't know. Like, it's not important unless it, like, I guess conflicts with my morals, or if maybe my shit conflicts with their morals because of their spirituality. Like, I'm not a religious person, so they might be super religious and like not be into the fact that I'm not. or they might want to push religion like on our future child or something, and I'm not gonna like that. So if it's like that kind of case, then probably spirituality and culture would play more of an important role. But if they're like, and culture would only be important if it's like there's something about their culture that like affects maybe the type of relationship that we have, or like how we raise our children. Like if it's something that I don't like if they expect me to be like this submissive wife or something, that would be an issue, obviously. But if it's not anything like that, then it's not important. Like they can have their culture. I would love to learn it. I would love for our kids to learn it and live it and be a part of it. But yeah, I guess I would say spirituality would probably be the most important, because I feel like people who are like really into their spirituality or religion might have an issue with the fact that I'm not religious. And I feel like it could probably like hinder a lot of things that I might want to do in a relationship. Probably gonna cut out the questions that aren't that interesting, because this was never supposed to be this long. But hopefully you made it through the whole video, and I appreciate you for listening to me, and I appreciate anybody who sent me a question and was like even halfway interested in learning anything about me. So thank you for watching. I hope you love my self-portrait as much as I do. I feel like it's the most beautiful color palette I've ever worked with. It came out perfectly. I'm so proud of it. I want to hang it above my bed in my new bedroom, because I'm in the middle of giving my bedroom a drastic makeover, and this painting goes perfectly with the color palette of my bedroom. So I just love it. I'm definitely gonna have the prints for sale. I'll see you guys in my next time-lapse video.